Good morning, children. Open your English grammar book, functional English grammar and composition. In previous class, I have explained you about how to write a negative word. I mean, not between two verbs. One is helping verb and one is main verb. I told you in previous class. And today's class, page number 16. Again, positive and negative. Again, one more table is there. What is the difference between this table and this above table? See, I love dogs. What, children? I love dogs. Okay. And next here, I do not love dogs. See, this is a negative sentence and this is a positive sentence because NOT not we are using here negative form. Okay, I love dogs. I do not love dogs. Okay, one more sentence. You take he knew the answer well. Third sentence. He knew. Knew is past tense, children. What is present tense of knew? No. KNOW know. Knew. Known. Okay. He knew the answer well. Children, I am not writing all the examples. Just I am telling you one or two or three examples. See, what is answer? He did not know the answer well. See, you find out the differences here. What are the differences? I will tell you later. See, he did not know the answer well. Okay, one more example I will tell you. Neetu leaves for work on time. See, Neetu leaves for work on time. Positive sentence. What is negative sentence? See, Neetu does not leave. Neetu does not leave for work on time. See, positive sentences, negative sentences. Up to this exercise D, no, we have used what in previous page we have used do not, do not. Here, am not and is not, one more helping verb and main verb. What is specialty of this? You know? Yes, here we used do not. You observe this do not. And here we used did not. Okay, here do not, here did not, and here does not. What is specialty of this? All in previous class I have explained you. See, I love dogs. I do not love dogs. Just present situation. At present you have declared I love dogs. Lifelong you don't love dogs. That is not possible. Just for present sake, you told present condition. You said I love dogs. What is negative? I do not love dogs. And one more important thing here. Present tense and past tense. See here, do, did. And what is does? Here, yes is there. What is? Here, does. See here. I do not love dog. Do means what, you know? See, love, it is a verb. But even this verb is also which tense? Present tense only. Loved is past tense. So, do not love. And coming to next one. He knew the answer well. Very well. See, I told you, no, knew. See, no is present tense, children. Observe carefully. And knew is past tense. See, no is present tense, knew is past tense. He knew the answer well. When we change it to negative, he did not. Why? Because I told you, no, did is past tense. Okay? See, did is past tense. KNOW, no. KNEW. So how to write this one? Did not knew is wrong, children. Did not knew is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because did is past tense and again knew is also past tense. So what is correct answer here? Did not know. This past tense verb, no, we have to change this past tense verb into present tense. See, no, did not know. Okay, coming to next one. Need to leaves for work on time. See, leaves. The leave is a verb, action word. Here for work, what is there? Yes, means regularly, every day, continuously. In previous class also I told you, verb plus yes. What's that? Verb plus yes. See here, leaves. Okay. So for that, what we have to write? Does we have to write, children? Does not. Okay. Understood my point? Does not. And next, does is there, no? Even here we have to write present tense, children. That is the difference. Be careful. For present tense, do not. For past tense, did not, and verb is present tense only. Coming to regular, continuously work for verb plus yes, no, does, and present tense. That is the difference. See. Next, go home. Go is the present, same like first one. Do not go home. See what is the explanation of this table of page number 17. If your positive sentence does not have a be verb or a helping verb, we add do, does, did and not to change this into negative sentences. Yes, in this no, be verb or a helping verb. In this there is no helping verb, children, in this table or in these sentences. Love, only one verb only, main verb. New, verb. Next, leaves, verb only. When there is no, what, children? Helping verb. What I told helping verb? Is, am, was, are, were, all those are called helping verbs. In previous exercise I have explained you. In this table now, when there is no helping verb, I mean is, am, was, so what we have to use? Do, did and next does, children. When there is no helping verb in positive sentence. In positive sentences or in a positive sentence. In a positive sentence, when there is no helping verbs of like this, what you know, what are helping verbs I told you? Is, see, am, is, was, are, were. When these helping verbs are not in positive sentences, when these sentences are converting, changing into negative sentences, we have to use do not, did not and next does not. This is very, very, very important point. Secret. Put it in the mind very carefully. Okay? When there are no helping verbs in a positive sentence or in positive sentences, when these positive sentences are changing into negative sentences, we have to use do, did, does. That is the explanation of this table. Now see practice time of exercise E of page number 17. See here they have given 1 to 6 sentences. What is number 1? Exercise E of page number 17. Do this 1 to 6 sentences in the homework book, children, while writing the name of the book. Functional English Grammar, Chapter 2, Exercise E. Change the following positive sentences into negative. What words we have to use in negative form? Do not for present tense, did not for past tense, continuous tense. I mean work will be continuous, will be there for the verb, work plus yes. For that, does not. See here. They practice every day. See first one. They practice every day. Every day means what, children? Daily, regularly. Okay. Practice. This is the main verb. There is no any helping verb of am or is or are or were or was. So there is only one verb. For this type of sentence we have to use do, did, does. Okay. Now what is answer, children? They do not practice every day. Okay, like that. Next, see, I have a car. I do not have a car. Okay, next, see, third one. The judge made a fair decision. Made. See, yes, children. What, children? Made means what? Make is present tense. Made is past tense. So, made past tense is in the positive sentence. When changing into negative sentences of made, you have to write present tense make, children, because did not made is wrong. Did is already past tense, no? So did not make. When the verb is in past tense in positive sentence, that verb will be changing into as what, present tense make, children. So the judge did not make a fair decision. Be careful. And next, fourth one, say, observe very carefully. The peon works hard. Works, verb plus yes. Work plus yes, see, works. So what you have to use? The peon does not work hard. See, leave, there is no s. Works, there is no s. Work only. Observe this table very carefully and write these 1 to 6 sentences answers in your English homework. Okay, next coming to one more is there here. Now look at the following sentences and notice how positive sentences can be changed into negative sentence. This is one more table. What is this here? Explanation and exercise will be there. In this chapter 2 now we have total how many, F exercise A, B, C, D, E, F. Total 6 exercises are 6 exercises. But 6 exercises are different. But we are using not, no, do not, did not, does not. But where we have to use this negative form, we have to think carefully and write the answers in your English homework book by reading once again the explanation part, which is given in, see this green, this one color. Explanation part is very, very important. Then you can do the exercise very carefully. Okay, children? See, what is this one? Positive and negative, same only. Positive and negative. See, I have a clue. See, I have a clue to this puzzle. What is called clue? Just a hint for getting the answer. See, puzzle. What is negative answer here? I have no clue to this puzzle. Which type of negative form we have used in this sentence? No, children, observe very carefully. Not, not, not. In previous no we have used not, do not, did not, does not. But here no. See here, I have a clue to this puzzle. I have no clue to this puzzle. What is next one? She has an experience. See, she has an expensive pen. Expensive means what? Very costly. See, she has an expensive, very costly pen. Okay, what is negative answer? She has, see, she has no expensive pen. See, she has no expensive pen. I mean, very costly pen. Coming to next one, they had a farm. They had a farm. Had a farm. Observe very carefully. This a, this and in second sentence. Again a in third sentence. Full stop. They had no farm. You know what is called farm? F-A-R-M, farm. It's a place for keeping some animals. You know, there is a poultry farm for keeping hens and ducks, and the farm animals farm. Especially we are using this word for farm animals like cows and buffaloes, and next what you know, hens, ducks. That is called farm. They had a farm. They had no farm. What did you observe in these sentences, children? Anybody? See here. I have a clue. Here A is there. This is a positive sentence. Okay. When this sentence converting into negative, I have no clue to this puzzle. We have used no only. See children. Not not. Observe very carefully. But what is difference, you know? A. We did not write A. Skipped. We have skipped the water. There is no A. And here an expensive. Isn't it? Here there is no A and an. And an and the. These three are called articles in English grammar. See, that is difference here. A, there is no A. And there is no an in negative sentence. Again A, there is no A in negative sentence. Why? See. The positive sentences above have been changed into negative sentences by adding no of a negative form. Therefore, sentences with, what are the sentences? See, has, have and had. See here, has, have or had as the main verb can be changed into negative sentences by adding no. Yes, these are all called have, as and had are called here main verbs only. Why, teacher? Why? Because there are no other helping verbs. What are those helping verbs I told you? Am, is, was, or were. All these helping verbs are not in the positive sentences. So what is their main verb? Have, has, had only. There is no other verb. When there is no other verb, only one verb is that is called main verb. Okay. In previous class I explained you, I am talking. She is going. There are two verbs are there. What was made into two parts? Is going. Am talking. So not not was placed between helping verb and main verb in previous class. In today's class, there is no helping verb, only one main verb is there. What is that? Have, has and had. When these are verbs, now we have to change the sentence to negative. We have to use no only. Observe very carefully. No children, not not. In previous class only I told you, no and not as according to our will and we should not write, children. According to the sentence, to get the complete sense of the sentence, we have to use sometimes no and sometimes not as required. Okay children, see. As, have or had as the main verb can be changed into negative sentences by adding no. We may need to make some other changes as required. If we want change, we have to change. In the above sentences, A and have been dropped. See, A and see, these two were dropped. Where? In negative sentences. That is main. In this note, two important points. One, articles A and am were dropped in the negative sentences, and one more secret, main verbs have, has, had, we have to use no. These two are the secrets, two are the points in this table and exercise. See, coming to exercise F, children. So understood now? When we have, has or had or have in the negative verb as main verb, isn't it no other verb? We have to use no in negative sentences. So coming to exercise F, see here. Change the following sentences into negative. We have a sports car. What, children? We have a sports car. Observe very carefully. Only one verb is there. What is that verb? Have. It is only main verb, that's all. There is no other verb, no. What is answer? Changing into negative. What word we have to use, children? No or not? No. Because have, has, had. For these words we have to use no. See, we have no sports car. Yes, we have skipped what children? A. We have dropped A. Okay, like this you have to do this exercise of 1 to 6 sentence, 1 to 6 sentence of exercise F of page number 17 in homework book, children. Okay, right.